I was craving these so bad, I had to make them. These are all the ingredients you need. Obviously, in the video, I'll go into more detail. First, we're going to make our rice. I'm using jasmine rice. I always cook with jasmine rice. Add some oil, some butter, some seasoning. Make sure you wash your rice, and then you want to add it into the pot. Let the water reduce. Then you want to flip a grocery bag inside out, wash it thoroughly, put it on top. Add the lid, set the timer for 15 minutes, and you will get perfect rice like so. Then you want to cut the top of the bell peppers and take out the core. Save the tops because we're going to cut them up later. Put them in the oven for 10 minutes. While they're in the oven, dice some onions and celery as well as the lids of the bell peppers. Once the peppers are out of the oven, allow them to cool down. For the meat, I'm using lean ground beef and ground pork, some tomato paste, our bell peppers, onion, and celery, a whole bunch of seasoning. You can use whatever you want. This is what I'm using. Add a splash of W sauce and a splash of chicken broth. After mixing it up, it should look like that. Go ahead and add your rice, and your meat to rice ratio is completely up to you. After I mix it up, I stuff the bell peppers as much as possible, like so. I went ahead and added some cheddar jack cheese on top, but you could use whatever cheese you want. I put the peppers back in the oven on broil for 5 minutes or until it's like a golden brown color, and this is how it came out. I'm going to cut it in half so y'all can see what it looks like inside. Y'all, this was super easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.